Ahoy there, my youthful crew. Captain Bates here, ready to find some naughty little sounds. I wonder what I can see. Today we're looking for sounds that begin with the letter Y or Y. Come with me, let's see what we can find. Wow! Oh, I love it up here. Right, today we're looking for Y words. Right, I've got to think about Y. It's a funny word. Not many words start with this letter, but there are some. So let's see if we can find some. Can you spot any? Shout out if you can. Hey! Look over there! It's on a piece of string and it goes up and down. It's called a yo-yo. Wow! Does yo-yo begin with a Y? Of course it does! Brilliant! Right, what else can you spot? I can see hey, I can see one over there. Oh, I like this with my lunch. Yum, yum, yummy. It's yogurt. Oh, yum, yum, yum. I love yogurt. Does yogurt begin with a Y? Of course it does. Brilliant. Well done. Right, we've got two. Let's see if we can find one more. We've got yogurt and yo-yo. Can't see any at the moment. Yogurt, yo-yo, and uh-oh. He's big. He's hairy. No, it's not me. It's a yak. Wowee! A yak. Does yak begin with a Y? Of course it does. Brilliant spotting, everybody. Well done. Hey, wicked spotting today, guys. We've got some cool words. I'm feeling pretty cool, yeah? I feel pretty cool with all the words I know. Oh, yeah. Right, we need to make a silly sentence now. I wonder what we can come up with. We've got yo-yo, we've got yogurt, and we've got yak. Let me have a think. Hey, I've got one. You're going to love this one. The yak ate yogurt with a yo-yo. That is silly. Oh, that's great. I wonder what words and sentences you can come up with. Give it a go. Hey, wicked stuff, everybody. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Right, that's all we've got time for the letter Y today. But don't forget, you are unstoppable and you can do anything. We'll see you next time. See you later. Bye.